Chapter 6 Composition of Matter. Exercise. Question number 1. Choose the appropriate option and rewrite the following statements. A. The intermolecular force is dash dash in particles solid. Answer maximum. B. Solids retain their volume even external pressure is applied. This property is called incompressibility. C. Matter is classified into the types mixture, compound and elements by applying the criterion. It's called chemical composition. D. Matter that contain two or more contiguous substance is called compound. E. Milk is an example of type of matter called heterogeneous mixture. F. Water, mercury and bromine are similar to each other because they are liquids. G. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this we understand that there are dash dash chemical bonds between the carbon's atom and one oxygen atom in the compounds. Carbon dioxide. Answer 2. Question number 2. Identify the odd term out and explain. A. Gold, silver, copper, brass. B. Hydrogen peroxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. C. Milk, lemon juice, carbon steel. D. Water, mercury, bromine, petrol. E. Sugar, salt, baking soda, blue, vitriol. F. Hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. Arson. A. Brass is odd one out because it is an alloy and gold, silver, copper are element. B. Hydrogen is odd one out because it is an element and other are compound. C. Carbon is odd one out because it is an element and other are mixtures of various elements. D. Water is odd one out because it is universal solvent and rest are not universal solvent. E. Baking soda is odd one out because it is a mixture of various elements and others are compound. F. Carbon is odd one out because it has 4 valence electron and others have 1 valence electron. 3. Answer the following questions. A. Plant synthesize glucose in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll from carbon dioxide and water and give away oxygen. Identify the 4 compounds in this process and name their types. Answer. Photosynthesis is a chemical process through which plants, some bacteria and algae produce glucose, oxygen from carbon dioxide and water using only light as a source of energy, which is absorbed by chlorophyll. 4 substances in this process are as follows. 1. Carbon dioxide, organic compound. 2. Water, organic compound. C. Glucose, organic compound. Chlorophyll, organometallic compound or complex compound. B. In one sample, of brass, the following ingredients found: copper 70% and zinc 30%. Identify the solvent, solute and solution from this. Answers: B. Brass is an alloy made primarily of copper, usually with zinc. Brass as a solid solution consisting of zinc and other metals are solute dissolved in copper taken as solvent so that the brass meets all the criteria of a solution. C. Seawater tastes salty due to the dissolved salt. The salinity, the proportion of salt in water of some water bodies: Lonar Lake 7.9%, Pacific Ocean 3.5%, Mediterranean Sea 3.8%, Dead Sea 33.7%. Explain two characteristics of mixture from the above information. Answers: characteristics of mixture from above information are: 1. Constituent substance of a mixture are two or more elements or compound. 2. The proportion of constituent substance in a mixture can be variable. 3. The properties of constituent substance are retained in the mixture. Question number 4. Give two examples each. A. Liquid element. B. Gaseous element. C. Solid element. D. Hydrogeneous mixture. C. Chloride. F. Organic compound. G. Complex compound. H. Organic compound. I. Metalloid. J. Element with valency 1 and K. Element with valency 2. Answers: liquid element: mercury, bromine. B. Gaseous element: oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. C. Solid element: sodium, carbon, aluminium. D. Homogeneous mixture: sugar in water, corn oil, blood plasma. E. Chloride: mayonnaise, milk, butter, gelatin, jelly, mud water. F. Organic compound: protein, glucose, urea, carbohydrates. C. G. Complex compound: chlorophyll, hemoglobin. H. Organic compound: limestone, rust, common salt. I. Metalloid: silicon, graphene, element with valency 1, sodium, potassium, element with valency 2, magnesium, calcium. Question number 5. Write the names and symbols of the constituent elements and identify their valences from the molecular formulae given below. KCl, HBr, MgBr2, K2O, NaH, CaCl2, CCl4, Hi, H2S, Na2S, FeS, BaCl2. Answer: compound, name of compound, symbols of constituent elements, valency of constituent elements. KCl, potassium chloride, KCl, K is equal to 1, Ci is equal to 1. HBr, hydrogen bromine, KBr, K is equal to 1, Br is equal to 1. MgBr2, magnesium bromine, MgBr, Mg is equal to 2, Br is equal to 1. K2O, potassium oxide, KO, K is equal to 1, O is equal to 2. NaH, sodium hydride, NaH, Na is equal to 1, H is equal to 1. KCACI, calcium chloride, Ca is equal to 2, Ci is equal to 1. CCl4 carbon tetrachloride. CCl. C is equal to 4, Ci is equal to 1. HI hydrogen iodide. HI. H is equal to 1, I is equal to 1. H2S hydrogen sulfur. HS. H is equal to 1, S is equal to 2. Na2S sodium sulfur. NaS. Na is equal to 1, S is equal to 2. Na2S sodium sulfur. FeS iron. Iron sulfur. FeS. F is equal to 2, S is equal to 2. Pause the video and write the all chart.